Hello and welcome to week 6 of Composition 1. I wanted to do another quick video overview of what we are doing for this week because we're continuing to build on what it is we are doing. We're moving from just writing to express ourselves to actually writing to say something interesting and new about something to get our readers to think. And that involves criticism and reviews. So you've done your restaurant review, so I hope that went well. I'll be looking at that and providing you feedback. In addition, we started something different. We read Liz Addison's 2 Years Are Better Than 4. Um, and there was a two-part discussion board, discussion 11, that we are completing for this week. Hopefully you've read a little bit about what Liz Addison's essay is and what it's trying to do. It's an essay for a contest to win a scholarship, and that really changes how we write. If you're writing to impress scholarship judges, you aren't really thinking about a general audience. So we have to consider how this article works. And so what I've asked you to do is to read the article that she is critiquing herself. So I want you to read that. It's Rick Perlstein's What's the Matter with College. Read that and see if what she says about the essay lines up with what the actual essay says. Because you've been there. You've been told to expect something and your expectation was completely different than what somebody else told you. And that's what I want us to see. So how good of an essay did she write? Did she actually respond? There's 4 questions for discussion 2, looking at what did Perlstein say about his experience? When did he go to college? How do we get that from Addison's essay? Like, what do we expect Perlstein to be? And then what do we learn? So if you look up Rick Perlstein in Wikipedia, is just fine. Find out how old he is. We know that Addison was 38 when she wrote her essay in 2007. So start considering, who she is and who Perlstein is. I do have a little message, I guess you can keep that up. And then we're going to move on and write a critique. A critique is just like a review, only it's over something that we have read instead of experienced. So we're critiquing Liz Addison's essay, which is a critique of Perlstein. So it's kind of fun, a little bit Inception-y, I guess. It's a dream within a dream. And so there are some questions to get you to think about that. So that's going to be due on Thursday. Actually, it shouldn't be Thursday night, I guess. I'll change that due date because that's wrong. Anyway, we'll make sure that we have our critique done. I do have some other things that I want you to look at. So we'll make it so the critique is actually not due Thursday. It'll be due a little bit later. So I'm sorry about the confusion, but we'll have those due dates. And then we have a reading assignment. Is Google making us stupid? We're writing these essays fairly quickly. I understand that. Addison's critique is, we're only writing a critique of Addison for about 500 words, not too long. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's what we're looking at, is to get you to think quickly and do things at a time. So I hope you have plenty of time to work on this. So let me know if you have questions. I will be adjusting a couple of things, but otherwise it'll be just fine. Have a great weekend and a great rest of the week.